Welcome everybody back to Dragon Crew, and today we're going to be trying mini gummy taco. This was also found at Five Below. Let's get this open. Wait. I just cut off this wrapper, and there's already another wrapper. Taco. This is cardboard. I can't physically eat this, but there's only one way. I have to unwrap the taco. Well, there's Gummy Bear. I won't be able to eat all of this on camera, but I'll try some of it. That tastes good. Mid. Tastes like air. I don't really know what else to say. Did you like the video? Subscribe and like.